Morning students, welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to revise chapter number 22, Our Universe. In this chapter we have read about the solar system. The Earth, only planet with life, has water and atmosphere at correct distance from the sun. Earth is the only planet जिसमें life है, water है as well as atmosphere है because it is at correct distance from sun. Okay students, the sun, star at the center of the solar system. Sun एक star है जो solar system के center में है. It gives heat and energy to the earth और इससे earth को heat और energy मिलती है. The moon, natural satellite to the earth. Moon एक natural satellite है earth का. Reflects the light of the sun during night. और ये क्या करती है? sun का light reflect करती है night time में. And it is smaller than the earth और ये earth से smaller है. Now let us revise book exercise of this chapter. A part, choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. There are dash planets in our solar system. हमारे solar system में कितने planets हैं? 8. Dash have their own light. किसकी अपनी खुद की light होती है? Stars. The solar system is in the dash galaxy. Solar system किस galaxy में है? Milky Way galaxy में. The satellite of Earth is the dash. जो Earth का satellite है वो क्या है? Moon. Dash is the planet closest to the sun. कौन सा planet है जो sun के बिल्कुल closest है? Mercury. B part, write whether the following statements are true or false. Stars have their own light. Stars की खुद की light होती है. This is true. The sun is a star. Sun भी एक star है. This is also true. There are 9 planets in our solar system. This is false. The moon is a satellite of the earth. Moon earth का satellite है. This is true. The earth is an inner planet. जो earth है वो एक inner planet है. This is true. Now C part, match the following. Sun, star. Moon is a satellite. Earth is a planet. Group of stars is known as constellation. Milky Way is a galaxy. Okay students. Now students, let us revise notebook work of this chapter. D part, answer in one sentence. What is galaxy? Galaxy क्या है? Millions of stars of various size form a galaxy. Million of stars different sizes के क्या form करती है? एक galaxy. Second one is what is constellation? Constellation क्या है? Group of stars which form some pattern are called constellation. Group of stars जो कुछ pattern form करती है उसे बोला जाता है constellation. Third one is what are satellites? Satellites क्या हैं? The companions of planets are called satellites. जो companion होते हैं planets के उन्हें satellites बोला जाता है. Why is Earth also known as the blue planet? Earth को blue planet क्यों बोला जाता है? The Earth is also known as the blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered by water. Because जो Earth का 3/4 surface है वो water से covered है, इसीलिए इसे blue planet बोला जाता है. Now E part, answer in brief. Write one difference between stars and planets. आपको one difference बताना है stars और planets के बीच में. All stars have their own light. सभी stars की अपनी खुद की light होती है. While planets have no light of their own. जबकि जो planets हैं उनकी खुद की कोई light नहीं होती. Describe the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, the moon, the earth and the other planets which go around the sun. Solar system consist करता है sun, moon और earth और other planets भी होते हैं इसमें और ये sun के around go करती है. Okay. Why are some planets called the inner planets and the other are outer planets? कुछ planets को inner planets क्यों बोला जाता है and others को outer planets क्यों बोला जाता है? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets as they are closer to the sun. Because ये जो planets हैं ये sun के बिल्कुल closer हैं इसलिए इन्हें inner planets बोला जाता है. Whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. जबकि इन planets को outer planets बोला जाता है because they are far away from the sun. Okay. Fourth one is why does the moon seem to change its shapes? Moon अपना shape change करती है, हमें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? The changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. जो moon shape change करती है उसे बोला जाता है phases of the This happened because of the changing position of the moon in relation to the earth and the sun. और ये इसीलिए होता है because जो moon है वो in relation to earth और sun के according पोजीशन अपनी चेंज करता है. That is why हमें ऐसा लगता है कि moon अपना shape चेंज कर रही है. Is it clear, students? So today we have revised chapter number 22, our universe. Learn and revise it and prepare for your revision test. Thank you and goodbye.